Well, we're going to head over to the Model Railroad Club. Debbie's sitting over here. She's resting.
Yeah.
It was a little bit of a walk, but we've been here about 3 hours so far. Okay. Actually, they got 3 food trucks. They got a coffee one over there. Okay, so we're heading back to the car and go to the Volusia County Model Railroad Club. After the train show, you always go to the operating model railroad. It's the Volusia County Model Railroad Club in the barn. So there's the barn. Oh, O'Reilly Auto Parts. Ooh. Not a commercial for them, though. Model train show. On the inside, well, on the outside of the deal, where you can see whenever they have the state fair, people get to see it from out here. But while there's a train show, you get to go inside to see all the good stuff. Good afternoon.
I was born in military ministries anyway. My kid brother and my dad both on fire, so I don't know where we have for that. But I had some buddies. I used to do relatively inexpensive. You got the Greenberg books, you know, so you can actually have the value of what you're looking at. But then when I moved down here to Florida, I kind of stepped in my game and got some modern stuff. That stuff my granddaughter. She already got the controller figured out, you know, all the functions figured out.
She wants me to go to NHL. Just because she probably need to do
so much more.
I'm lucky, we've got a big room in our house upstairs. I'm gonna go over there about 7 or 4.
Yeah.
And I can do a lot more with it. I also have to read I've got basically 5 or 6 stuff already.
Well, see, you can use the newer, you know, an L track.
That's what I'm going to do.
If you scale up on the top.
It's reliable and the builder the height or the grandkids can play with it.
Well, the nice thing about it is there are a lot of buildings available, pre-built buildings, built buildings. There's a lot over there at show. But vehicles, you can reverse it on itself and it doesn't care. We chose, you know, a little different structure because it's DC power, you know. You actually create a reverse loop in your design and you don't realize it. It cares. It's direct current. It's plus the minus and how she goes. But that's the cool part about Lionel is you can reverse on it 6 times and you doesn't care.
I never thought that
Well, HODC has the problem, and if you're doing DCC, you still have to isolate and put a special module in. Even though what you do when you do reverse loop, you do have to switch the A and B. You have to isolate the section and put a reverse module in.
Yeah, I've got to get it. I'm trying to see what else. Fairly quick there. To be big, so I'm going to try to do 4 something.
Kids love action. Kids love action. They want action.
Yeah, they don't want to turn something on and just walk it go around.
Yeah. No, and you're not going to do it. You're not going to do much of switching, which in low scale kind of challenging.
The cars also
Like I said, the grandkids love that scale. I can just tell you, I know the kids always love that scale when I was around, but my granddaughter, she loves having something that big. You know, it's really fun though, because I actually want to do, remember the old lifelike mountains, the foam mountains that used to have the curved tunnels?
Yeah.
The tunnels, and you can't find those things anymore. They actually turned out that they don't make them anymore, and they don't make them anymore because it's more expensive to try and ship them than it is to make them. So they stopped making them, and it's too late for my granddaughter sitting down there at the curve, looking at the tunnel, watching things like that. It's kind of magic, you know. It's kind of neat, the smile on their face. But I do recommend, we get a lot of people, and the other thing is that they like opening little doors, and putting up people in, closing the doors, and be sure it's not going to
I just got it because my daughter is she's all excited. She hasn't had it out since she was, actually said that probably when she was about 10. And so we were talking to my granddaughter. My granddaughter's drinking, so we set it up really quick. She's all excited. So we're gonna go home and start laying out track later.
Well, this will give you some extra motivation, right?
That's right.
All right.
All right, you take
Nice
care.
talking to you. Thanks for coming by and seeing, visiting. We'll switch them up, okay, Bo? You pull some off.
How you doing?
All right, how are you?
Not bad.
Glad you came to visit us today. Oh. Makes the river look like it goes a lot further.
Oh,
Yeah?
I never noticed that.
It's kind of a modeling thing. I want to bring this guy out here.
Yeah, that is a fun truck.
They don't like that bridge, do they? On the inside, I wonder if that drags on the bottom of his trucks. If they got the really nice detail on the bottom of his truck. Hi there.
How are you?
All right, how you doing today?
Now, for the past couple of years that we've been here, they had this section closed, so they finally got it open again. So we'll take a walk through here. A lot of vintage stuff from things that I remember from when I was a kid. Like that refrigerator right there. Oh, look at that old vacuum cleaner. Meat grinder up there. pans. Oh my goodness. A lot of this stuff is still covered. Over here on this side here. He's over here. Frigidaire. Oh my goodness. My mom had a washer like this. Well, actually, it was more like this one right here. I remember that knob up on the top. Okay. What is this? Yeah, with a little hose on the side. Same thing. Yeah, I remember coming back in here about 3 or 4 years ago. This is the first time it's been open since then. This stuff is still covered up. A lot of jars over here. Church pews. Looks like a rocking chair that I had when I was a kid. It's covered with a tarp. Some old magazines. Check this out.
There's a wedding. Oh, I
Old
see it.
tools.
Yes. I do see the wedding.
Okay, here we go. And here's the other end over here.
There was this mill. Truck.
Got the YML stuff back here. And scale stuff too. Here's the back end. So from the outside.
Let's go look at the big one. They might let you fly.
Well, we're here at Bucky's eating our chopped brisket sandwich. All right, good. Already got gas, $2.59 here. Debbie almost had a heart attack because the sign outside said $1.59. I know. Until we got to the pump, it said $2.59. So after this, we're heading home.